Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can join your elderly version trend on TikTok. Okay, so for that, if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, you will not find the filter here in TikTok because this is a CapCut template. So first go to App Store or Play Store and download this app called CapCut. Then once you have the app, what you can do, let me show you an easy way. Just go to my profile and on the top you will see this playlist CapCut template. Just tap there. Okay, the first video, you will see this video. On the bottom left corner of the video, you will see this CapCut try this template icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to CapCut. Now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, this is the template. What you have to do, on the bottom you will see use AI template. Just tap there. Okay, let me browse a picture. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, hit next. Wait for a few seconds. You can tap on export and you can save it to your device or you can share it to TikTok. Okay, and that's it. Likewise, you can do this trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.